Hey guys, what's good, what's cooking? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Sheglam birthday skin primer, and I have it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but today we're going to do a review on it, and I'm going to be testing it out on my skin and see if it will do as they say it would, like cover up your pores and all kind of stuff. At the moment I'm not wearing anything other than my moisturizer and serums, but as you can see, this is my skin up close, so you can tell. I don't have much pores, but I have dark spots. But let's see if this is going to work, guys. So let's cut right into the chase. So guys, the Sheglam is a primer that helps to smoothen, soften your skin and shrink your pores, and it also helps for any imperfections that you have on your skin. So today we're going to try it and test this out. Let's see if I can open this up. So on the top it says "You're born beautiful" right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is what the inside looks like. It comes with this spatula thing, and I did use it before. This is it, guys. It comes in a nice cute glass jar. It's packaged very nicely, guys, and oh, okay, so here is the product. I did test this out before to see how it is, and I'm going to be telling you guys my thoughts on this and what I believe, and let's see if you should buy this product or is it worth buying for the box. So if you want to know about my honest review on this product, stick around. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Trisoni, and on this channel I do product reviews, unboxing, and all kind of other fun stuff. If you're interested in that, please go ahead, give this video a like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for the continuous support. I love you guys so much and I appreciate you guys. Let's get into this review. First thing I'm going to do is apply this to my skin, and let's see if this works as it says. So I'm going to get this much, and let's apply it on my skin. So let's see if this does hide the pores as they said. As you could see, it's very thick, but it's not thick to the point where like you have to dig it into your skin. And it's very soft, guys. It's very soft. Thing I don't like with this is like it gives you a white cast, but it's not like the white cast you normally get that's like very hard to rub out. I don't like that my face looks like some white ghost lady or something, but we're going to try it out same way. And if you guys use this out there before and you think I'm doing this wrong, maybe I'm applying too much to the skin, I don't know, but I forgot I even have the spatula thing. Comment down below and let me know if I'm applying it the wrong way. Okay guys, like, my skin is stripping here, as you could see. I don't know why. On my nose, it's like it's very dry. Put on my foundation and then we're going to see what's going on. Alright guys, I'm going to be using the El Makiage foundation, and this is the 150 Woke Up Like This foundation. So let's put this to the test, guys. So one side is done, guys. One side is done. As you guys could tell, that okay guys, I'm going to add some of this moisturizer to see if it can help with the dryness that's on my face. On camera it looks good, but I don't know, I'm not liking it at all. I look awful. Okay guys, so I applied to my face, right? But I really don't like how it's looking. Like, I don't know if I come closer. On camera it's looking okay, but it's very cakey and dry, even though my skin was moisturized before. My face does look smooth to the touch, but like I don't know why it's like dry. I don't know if I apply too much of the product. Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you guys think I did wrong. I'm going to see if I can finish up this and come back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back again. This is the finished product. I don't know if you guys can see, but on my nose it's very cakey and stripping. I don't know why it's stripping, but like it is crazy. Looking in the mirror is not really pretty at all, like how you would see it on the phone right now or on the screen. Like it looks perfect on camera, but when looking in the mirror it looks really crazy. I look white, cakey, like I don't know why. Maybe I didn't moisturize enough, or I applied too much of the primer. But I don't like it, guys, at all. I'll probably try again while using a little bit of the primer and see if it's, I don't know if it doesn't work with the foundation, or I don't know, but something ain't right, guys. And as I said, this is the finished look. I don't know, I don't like it at all. Like it at all, guys. Like, as the product said that it would actually smooth your skin. My skin does look smooth, but it's very white, like cakey. I don't know why, but I don't know how to explain it. On camera it looks good, but off camera it doesn't look good at all. I'm going to be showing you guys a picture of how it looks off camera, but I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I applied too much foundation. Maybe something went wrong. If this have ever happened to you guys, please comment down below and let me know what I did wrong, so that I could correct it. I probably try using the product again and see if it's this foundation that it doesn't work well with, or I don't know, but I'll keep you guys posted. And if I try something and it does work, I'll definitely come back with a part 2 for you guys. But guys, as I would say, that not everything that works for everyone will work for you. Even if it didn't work for me, this product probably work for you as well. If you definitely want to try this product, you can then go ahead and give it a try. If it doesn't work, sometimes we have to take a risk in life to know what will work and what will not work. And so I did try this. I got this from Shein, and I don't know, I don't know if I don't know I don't know, guys, but yeah, I got this from Shein, and so I tried it for the first time. I didn't like it. It has this white thing to it that didn't work well with my foundation, or I don't know, but I look very cakey, and like my nose is stripping and all those good stuff. Everyone is doing okay. What's cooking with you guys? So it's actually like 1:32 in the morning, and so I'm going to just watch a movie, and I don't know, I can't sleep, so I don't know if you guys want to stick around for that part, but um let's see what's on, and watch a movie until I feel sleepy. So let's go. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching thus far. Please remember to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see me do next. If not, stick around. I'll be coming back with more videos for you guys. And have a good night, good day, good evening, good afternoon, whatever hour it is where you are. Have a good night and have a blessed week.